Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to a new episode of the channel Carful. In this episode I'm going to show you how to install a dual dashcam in a Mercedes CLS Shooting Brake and how to do it in a professional way. So don't let us waste any time and start working on it. Stay tuned. So here we are installing the camera, and in this case the camera already is installed, but to do it you have to look very carefully that it won't take anything away from the view in front of you, so that everything is clear on that you can see clear on the road. So in this case the best place to fit the front camera is behind the mirror, as we did here. You see, it's behind the mirror and it doesn't hinder, it doesn't take anything away of the view of the driver. These are the nylon tools that you would use to ply the panels away, so like this, so that you can put the cables behind it. And this tool here comes in pretty handy to open the space between the panels. As you can see, it can help opening the panels to put the cables behind it. I'm going to show it again how to do it with this tool. See? Always take care when you're using iron tools that there is nothing you can damage. So mostly I would advise to use the nylon tools. Here on the window, on the windscreen, you only use your fingers to put the cable behind it from the camera to the side of the A-pillar right here. So here we are. You see two cables are going up. One is the power cable and the other one is for the rear camera. So the two cables are coming to the A-pillar. One is going down, and then when it is in the corner you lead it here and you come down like so. And when you come here at the underside of the dash, you can see the cable here. So as you can see, the A-pillar has an airbag. So you wouldn't like to put the cable in front of the airbag, so when it deploys you will get the camera into your face. That's not how it has to be. So this is the most difficult place here, because the cable has to go behind the airbag and has to come out here. How do we do that? So to do that I used this tool, this nylon tool, and I loosened the panel just far enough so I could see the airbag. And then I would take this red cable, electrical, an insulated electrical copper wire with the end applied so that there is no sharp end on it, so you can't damage the airbag. Then you would go behind the panel with this wire, and when it comes out on the other side, you would take the cable from the camera and tape it on this red copper wire, and then you can put it behind the airbag, and it would come out right here. So one cable goes down like I showed you before, and it comes under the dash. The other would go up behind the panel, and with this tool you would open the space just wide enough to put the cable behind it from the A pillar over this window to the B pillar right here. And as you can see, here it comes out. See, the cable runs over the B pillar here to the next window of the rear door. Sorry for the lighting conditions, but everything is black here in this special edition of AMG, so it's hard to film in here. So here we come from the B pillar on the rear door window, and the cable would fit behind this, and then that is very easy to do. You just have to take this away inch by inch and put the cable behind it. It's very easy in this case here. So you go to the back, and you see there a little bit of the cable that's going behind the panel there. You only see it when you use a flash. Without it you won't see it. And from the rear door the cable would come in here, and from the rear door you put the cable behind the rear window to the hatch, and from in the hatch you follow the line, the curved line of the panel to the back door, and there you see it coming out a little bit, and then behind this rubber. Very easy, pretty simple. And this is the view from the outside with the open edge behind the rubber. And if the cable is too long, you can put some more behind this panel and have it come out here long enough to go to the rear camera, and long enough so the hatch can open to the full extent. And you see, when you close it, it will go inside, keep inside. There you see it. Now we are back in front, under the dash, where you see the cable coming out. And we have some handy clips to put the cable behind. There's one loose, have to put it back there, go to the center console, and there it will come down to the Selling B battery. And from the battery it goes to the center console to get some power for the battery to load up. So it is the next day, and it was very late editing this video this night. I hope you liked it and that everything is clear to you. If you have any questions about it, please do it in the comment section. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell sound, so you won't miss out on anything, because there is a lot of new content coming your way, guys. I'll put a link to the video of the dual dash cam also in the comment section and in the description, I mean. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Thank you, guys.